In your Android phone, open the Settings app, tap the Search Settings, type here Autofill, open Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill, tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill, and now if you want to enable OTP Autofill, just make sure to turn on this Google option, and to disable OTP Autofill, just disable this option from here, turn off this option. You can also choose preferred services. You can choose Samsung Pass or Google. After doing this, go back to your settings main page, again tap on search settings. This time type here SMS verification, then choose verification codes by SMS, and here we can see autofill codes in apps and sites. So if you want to enable OTP autofill, just turn on this option from here, and to disable, toggle this switch off. You can also enable or disable autofill codes in your default browser from here. Thanks for watching.